Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English World channel, where learning English feels easy and comfortable. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. And hello, everyone. It really feels nice to be here again. I missed this.
I missed it too. There's something special about sitting down and just talking.
Yes. No rush, no pressure, just a quiet moment together.
Exactly. So, Paul, how are you feeling today?
I feel calm. Not excited, not tired, just calm. And honestly, I like days like this.
That sounds really nice. Calm days help us breathe.
They really do. How about you, Emily?
I feel relaxed too, a little thoughtful and comfortable. It feels like a good day for conversation.
I agree. This already feels like one of those talks that flows naturally.
Yes, the kind of talk where silence feels okay.
Oh, yes. Silence doesn't feel awkward here.
So, before we jump too fast, let's slow down just a little more.
We're very good at slowing down.
We really are. And today's topic fits that feeling very well.
Now I'm curious. What are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about how we spend our free time.
I like that topic already.
Me too. It's simple, but it says a lot about us.
Yes. Free time shows who we really are.
Exactly. Not who we are at work or at school, but who we are when no one is watching.
That's a beautiful way to say it.
So, Paul, when you hear free time, what comes to your mind first?
I think of quiet. I think of space. I think of slowing my thoughts down.
That sounds very you.
Yes, I think it is.
For me, free time means comfort. A warm drink, a soft chair, and no schedule.
That sounds perfect.
It really is.
You know, it's interesting how different people use their free time differently.
Yes, and none of them are wrong.
Exactly. Some people like movement. Some people like rest.
And both are needed.
So true.
Okay, let's talk a little deeper. Paul, when you actually have free time, what do you usually do?
Most of the time, I go for a walk.
A walk?
Yes, but not a fast one. A slow walk. No music, no phone.
That sounds very peaceful.
It is. I like noticing small things. Trees, sounds, people passing by.
That feels very grounding.
It helps me feel present. What about you?
I usually stay at home. I make tea or coffee and I sit quietly for a while.
Do you read or just sit?
Sometimes I read, sometimes I just sit. Both feel good.
I understand that. Doing nothing can actually be doing something important.
Yes, resting is productive too.
I wish more people believed that.
Me too. So many people feel guilty when they rest.
That's true. They feel like they should always be busy.
But being busy all the time can feel exhausting.
Very exhausting. Free time helps us recharge.
Exactly. Do you like spending free time with people?
Sometimes. With close friends, not big crowds.
Same here. I like small conversations. Like this one.
Me too. This feels very comfortable.
It really does. Free time doesn't need to be loud.
Or impressive.
Yes, it just needs to feel right.
That's a great way to say it.
Do you ever feel pressure to use your free time well?
Sometimes. Like I should be learning something or improving myself.
I feel that too. But then I remind myself, rest is part of growth.
Exactly. You don't grow if you're always tired.
That's very true. You know, Paul, when we talk about weekends, I start thinking about how fast the week feels.
Yes. Monday to Friday sometimes feels like one long day.
Exactly. You wake up, you work, you sleep, and then suddenly it's Friday again.
And you think, wait, what just happened?
Yes, it's like time moves differently during the week.
But on the weekend, time feels slower.
It really does. Even simple things feel bigger.
Like drinking tea or sitting quietly.
Or just looking outside the window.
Yes, doing nothing, but feeling full.
I love that feeling. Not busy, not rushed, just present.
That word, present, is very important.
It is, because when we slow down, we finally notice things,
We notice our thoughts,
our feelings.
our bodies.
And sometimes that can feel uncomfortable.
Yes, because during the week we don't give ourselves time to feel things.
So when the weekend comes, everything arrives at once.
Like emails, but emotional emails.
That's a good way to say it. Do you ever feel that? When you finally stop and suddenly you feel tired?
All the time. I don't feel tired during the week, but on Saturday, my body says, okay, now rest.
Same. It's like the body waits for permission.
That's a subtle way to put it. I think many listeners feel this too.
Yes, if you're listening right now and you feel tired,
That's not laziness,
that's your body asking for care.
and it deserves that care.
Paul, do you think weekends show us who we really are?
That's an interesting question.
Because during the week, we play many roles.
Worker, student, parent, helper.
Yes, but on the weekend, those roles soften.
And what's left is you.
Exactly. What you choose to do or not to do.
Says a lot about you.
I like quiet weekends. That tells me something about myself.
Me too. I used to think I needed excitement.
The same. But now, quiet feels exciting in a new way.
Peace is the new adventure.
I love that. Do you ever feel guilty for doing nothing?
Yes, sometimes. Especially when I see others doing many things.
Social media makes that worse.
Very true. Everyone's weekend looks perfect online.
But we don't see the tired parts.
Or the quiet parts.
Or the lonely parts. That's why conversations like this matter.
Because real life is not a highlight reel.
It's slow and sometimes messy and sometimes boring.
But also very beautiful.
Yes, very beautiful. Paul, can we take a moment?
Yes.
Just imagine our listeners right now.
Some might be walking.
Some sitting on a bus,
Some lying on their bed.
some cooking,
Some feeling calm. Some feeling tired.
and all of them listening quietly.
That connection, even though we don't see them,
It feels real.
it really does.
Sometimes I forget how powerful listening can be.
Yes. Listening is an action.
It's a choice.
And choosing to listen is choosing yourself.
That's beautiful.
Do you ever listen to podcasts just for company?
All the time. It makes silence feel friendly.
I love that. Not empty, but gentle.
Exactly. Paul, since many listeners are learning English,
Yes.
I want to say something important.
Go ahead.
You don't need to understand every word.
That's very important.
Understanding the feeling is already enough.
Language is more than words.
It's rhythm, tone, pause.
Silence, too.
If you miss a word, it's okay.
If you feel lost for a moment, that's okay.
Your brain is still learning.
Even when it feels quiet.
Learning does not always feel loud.
Sometimes it feels like nothing.
Until one day, you understand more than before.
And you don't even know when it happened.
That's the magic of slow learning.
Slow and kind.
Paul, I feel like this episode was more than just talking about weekends.
Yes. It felt like a pause.
A long breath.
A safe space.
I hope listeners felt that.
I hope they felt welcome.
Before we say goodbye, Let's leave them with something gentle.
Okay, I'll start.
Go ahead.
You are allowed to rest.
You are allowed to move slowly.
You are allowed to enjoy quiet moments.
And you are allowed to learn at your own pace.
There is no race.
No deadline.
No perfect version of you that you need to become.
You are enough right now.
Just as you are.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for choosing calm.
Wherever you are,
Whatever your weekend looks like,
be gentle with yourself.
we'll meet again soon.
Until then,
Goodbye, everyone.
bye and take care. You know, talking about this makes me appreciate my free time more.
Me too. It reminds me to be gentle with myself.
That's important.
Very important.